Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy craft for Halloween. We're starting off with some pumpkin pails and we're removing the black pieces from our pumpkin pails, just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the handle. And then once we've removed the handles, we're going to go ahead and grab our other two pumpkin pails and we're going to spray paint them black. Now that they have dried, we're going to grab some gold metallic acrylic paint and we are going to use a little sponge so that we can add a very thin gold layer onto our pumpkins. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to grab some remote operated fairy lights and I'm going to place them right inside my fully dried pumpkin. Next, you're going to want to grab a hot glue gun and put a small line of glue on the top of our pumpkin. That is so that we can connect our second pumpkin to the top just like this. We're going to stack them up perfectly. Once we have finished up our other two pumpkins, I'm just going to add a fake floral bouquet on the top to make it extra cute. And I did eventually go in with some black paint on that hot glue so that it looked more seamless. But there you go. Look how fun and cute this is for Halloween.